always prime your eyes, okay? Primer for your eyes is gonna make sure your eye color lasts longer. It's gonna make the color pop more, so it's gonna bring out the pigment in the color more. A lot of it has to do with the brush that you use, and that's something that I've learned through my journey. A fluffy brush, which is what you wanna do for a transition color. So for the transition color for this look, I'm gonna use the color Astute. And you're gonna put that basically in your crease, but pull it up a little bit. Take a brush, it's not as fluffy, but it's fluffy-ish, right? And I'm gonna go a step darker with the brown, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm taking that into the crease. Here's another tip, guys, for your eyes. Do your eyeshadow first. Because if you have any fallout or you go out further, like you can be kind of messy, you know? And then you're gonna clean it up when you do your foundation. What I do before I do my lid color every time, guys, is I wet my brush, okay? If you want your shimmer to be shimmery, if you want your color payout to really show, wet your brush. Okay? I press it, pat it onto my lid. We're gonna grab this angled shadow brush, and we're gonna put like a little V with this darker brown in the outer corner. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna come back in and you're gonna blend it all together using that transition color again. So you're gonna come back in with your blending brush. You're gonna throw a little bit of your transition color, just a tad, okay? Watch. Just a tad. And you're gonna blend that all out.